And this is Nancy with Ash's Treasure, Homesteading and Gardening. We are outside in our little garden today. Yeah.
I'm praying in the dirt Can I pray in the dirt for a little bit?
Yes. Grass clippings got into these when they were out in the front, and the lawn people were cutting the grass.
Berries.
Not blueberries. So we got grass growing in the jars. And our little plant here. We have a little plant there.
That's a nice
And
white berry.
These, I've got to get some dowel rods to hold it up. I was trying to maybe put it with that, but I don't know if that's going to work. Yeah, they are slowly starting to grow. I'm trying to get, see, I think that's an ant eating my leaves. Because they crawling all over the place. So that's the one bucket. You alright?
I'm okay. I was just scared.
Okay. Some kind of bug.
Wait a minute. Nana?
Yes?
I think I know what those are.
What are they?
Aphids under attack.
She's been watching
under attack.
the Magic School Bus. And so here we are in our nest bucket. I think I've got peppers. But yes, here we're getting ready to pull these up. You ready to pull these up? Come over here. Put your hand on Nana's hand. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. What do we have?
Those are big ones.
I think they're beets.
Wow.
But I'm just going to go ahead and pull them because I think this is as big as they're going to get. But yes, our first harvest. Look at this. And it gives everything else some room to grow. Got little things. I think that right there is carrots coming up. I know I have some peppers. I'm just excited to see what else is going on. I know the big ones are cucumbers. And a little fake wasp nest. It works. It works really well, especially against bumblebees. So if you have bumblebee problems, put one of those up and you'll have them no more. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. And hopefully we'll be pulling up some more stuff. Y'all have a wonderful day.